Today in crypto. Bitcoin is rallying as buyers in the US continue to drive the price up, but signs of overheating are emerging in Asia. Bitcoin, BTC, is continuing to rise to new heights above $35,000 on January 6 as US buyers on Coinbase further drive up the price. But the BTC futures market's funding rate is also surging alongside futures open interest. The combination of a high funding rate, whales in Asia selling, and a record-high futures market open interest raises the chances of a short-term correction. Currently, as Mechanism Capital's Andrew Kang noted, the aggregated open interest of the Bitcoin futures market is at a new record high. He said, "The problem is that the market is over-leveraged and overwhelmingly longing Bitcoin." The term longing means buying BTC with borrowed capital in the derivatives market. The funding rate of Bitcoin in the futures market has exceeded 0.15%. On average, the BTC funding rate hovers at around 0.01%. So it is about 15-fold higher than the normal rate. Funding is a mechanism that futures exchanges use to find balance in the market. Every 8 hours, long or short contract holders have to pay a fee to one another. Longs pay shorts if the market is majority long, and vice versa. If the funding fee is above 0.15%, it means that the market is extremely overheated and the vast majority of the market are longing Bitcoin. This trend raises the probability of a long squeeze, wherein long contract holders are forced to adjust their positions if the price of Bitcoin declines. If the open interest of the market is at an all-time high, the chances of a larger long squeeze further increase. Whales in the Asia market have also been selling large amounts of Bitcoin in the past week. Data from Quant show massive inflows of BTC into Bithumb, South Korea's biggest exchange. Nevertheless, many positive bullish factors remain, including the hash rate. The Bitcoin hash rate is rising toward new all-time highs, according to analysts at Block. They said, in the near term, outflows from Coinbase is the most important metric to watch to gauge the short-term sentiment around Bitcoin. Coinbase outflows often signal institutional buy orders, as institutions and high-net-worth investors prefer to store their assets away from centralized platforms. Ki-Young Yu, the CEO of Quant, said, "If the Coinbase outflows and premium remain high, the probability of a large correction should decrease in the foreseeable future." The Bitcoin network hash power is at an all-time high as the spot price looks to breach the $36,000 price mark for the first time. The Bitcoin, BTC, price is not the only metric seeing record numbers, as the network hash rate has set a new all-time high. According to data from blockchain.com, the estimated 7-day average Bitcoin hash rate is now at about 148 exahashes per second, or A/s. This figure represents the amount of computing power expended by miners to secure the network every second. Tweeting on January 1, on-chain analytics data provider Glassnode revealed that Bitcoin recorded its largest average monthly hash rate of 136 A/s in December 2020. ADH, December's hash rate, 136 exahash/s, was the highest in #Bitcoin's history so far chart. pic.twitter.com/com5cart, where the current hash rate growth is in keeping with the trend observed since the start of November 2020, which coincides with the beginning of the current bullish advance in the BTC spot price. At the time, the network was recovering from a major hash rate slump occasioned by the seasonal migration of Chinese miners at the end of the Sichuan rainy season. Before the decline, the Bitcoin hash rate was at its previous 7-day average ATH of about 146 A/s, according to figures from blockchain.com. If the current upward hash rate trajectory persists, then the network will be due for an upward difficulty adjustment above 10% at the next retargeting epoch, which should happen on Saturday. The hash rate spike is only one example of the continuous improvements in Bitcoin fundamentals. Other metrics like network usage and activity are also on the rise. According to Coinmetrics, the number of active Bitcoin addresses is approaching its all-time high of about 1.19 million, achieved back in the December 2017 bull run. BTC is also continuing its steep price climb since breaching the $10,000 price mark in early October. The largest crypto by market capitalization briefly set a new ATH above $35,000 before seeing a slight pullback. The Bitcoin (BTC) price is not the only metric seeing record numbers, as the network hash rate has set a new all-time high. According to data from blockchain.com, the estimated 7-day average Bitcoin hash rate is now at about 148 exahashes per second, or A/s. This figure represents the amount of computing power expended by miners to secure the network every second. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. The world's largest crypto hedge fund, Grayscale, has talked up on more Bitcoin. The firm does not appear to be slowing down, an indication that more investors are rushing to put their money in digital currencies. In a tweet on January 5, Barry Silbert's Grayscale Investments revealed that its total crypto assets under management had increased to $23 billion. This is an addition of $3.3 billion in less than a week since the firm announced reaching the $20 billion mark only 6 days ago. January 5, 2021 update. Net assets under management, holdings per share, and market price per share for our investment products. Total AUM. $23.3 billion, $BCH, $E.T.H, $etc. and $LTC, $XLM, $XRP, $ZECPIC. Twitter.com/YO1FXLY4, Grayscale, at Grayscale, January 5, 2021. Following its recent purchase, Grayscale now holds around $19.5 billion in Bitcoin. Grayscale has grown to become one of the foremost crypto hedge fund managers. They regularly purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 8 other crypto-based products for clients. Surprisingly, although the firm announced in December that it has suspended cash inflows from investors, it is still on a buying frenzy. Data confirms that Grayscale's customers are still hungry for Bitcoin and Ethereum. As for the second most popular cryptocurrency, Ethereum, the company manages $3 billion worth of the crypto asset. Cardano was trading at $0.339704 by 7:50, 12:50 GMT, on the investing.com index on Wednesday, up 31.96% on the day. It was the largest one-day percentage gain since January 3, 2018. The move upwards pushed Cardano's market cap up to $9.818672 or 1.03% of the total cryptocurrency market cap. At its highest, Cardano's market cap was $23.917000. Cardano had traded in a range of $0.2540672 to $0.339770 in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, Cardano has seen a rise in value, as it gained 76%. The volume of Cardano traded in the 24 hours to time of writing was $4.442609B or 2.99% of the total volume of all cryptocurrencies. It has traded in a range of $0.1686 to $0.3398 in the past 7 days. At its current price, Cardano is still down 84% from its all-time high of $1.35 set on January 4, 2018. Elsewhere in cryptocurrency trading, Bitcoin was last at $34,700.20 on the investing.com index, up 90% on the day. Ethereum was trading at $1,136.91 on the investing.com index, a gain of 9.43%. Bitcoin's market cap was last at $645.802599B or 78% of the total cryptocurrency market cap, while Ethereum's market cap totaled $130.004573B or 64% of the total cryptocurrency market value. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.